but yet keeping the welcoming environment open, because many of the people that are coming, our clients that come here, they come here and they see us. The last thing they want to see is deputies or law enforcement. What we provide is the welcoming environment. So, and we actually develop a partnership with many of the clients. So they get a different view of law enforcement, where previously they had at times negative interaction with law enforcement. So this building here, the progressive and innovative manner in which it works with the county and different various nonprofits is actually an exciting place to work. To give back to the community, I couldn't see anything better than this.
The Custodial Alternative Supervision Program allows opportunities for our participants as they reintegrate back into society. CASU is in charge of providing intensive supervision to these participants, and in lieu of them being incarcerated in a correctional facility.
So why do people come to the Reentry Center? In the past, they would get lost on their way once they were released from custody, and now the Reentry Center allows them to have a one-stop shop, and the collaborations between parole and social services and drug and alcohol and behavioral services, we all work together as a team. So that not only provides them with accountability, it also provides them with encouragement, since they know we're all on the same page and we're here to help them re-enter into the society as seamlessly as possible.
The Sheriff's Office is extremely supportive of the county's approach towards battling recidivism. We have welcomed the opportunity to increase our collaboration between our in-custody rehabilitation officers and community service providers. This has shifted our perspective. We are now asking inmates from the day they start programming what their plan is for when they're released. Our deputies appreciate now having a new resource to turn to when we are releasing an inmate who has medical, mental health needs, or housing needs. By collaborating with the Reentry Resource Center, we can now get inmates assistance with transportation, housing, employment, medication upon release, and we are looking forward to expanding this partnership to ensure all inmates with all these types of needs will receive assistance transitioning back into the community.